foot structures of birds. Syndactyl, birds with front toes partly joined for part of the length. This foot structure has 3 toes in front and 1 hind toe, which is called the hallux. Toes 2, 3, and 4 are in front, and toe 1 is behind. In many cases, some of the front toes are joined for part of their length. Some birds with syndactyl feet are kingfishers, bee-eaters, and hornbills. Kingfishers. Half-collared kingfisher showing 2 partly fused front toes on each foot. Rollers. This European roller is gripping onto the power line with its syndactyl feet. Bee-eaters. White-fronted bee-eater gripping tightly on the wire fence. Hornbills. Southern ground hornbill walking over burnt grasslands.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.